Hello traders, on today's video I want to show you the easiest way to calculate pips using your MT4, MT5 trading view, or even calculating it by yourself. So grab your favorite beverage, adjust your trading glasses, and let's dive into the fascinating world of pips. By the end of this video, pips calculation will be so easy as ABC. Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's embark on this epic journey together. Remember, trading isn't just about numbers. It is about decoding patterns, seizing opportunities, and riding the waves of volatility. So fellow traders, let's chase those pips like treasure hunters on a quest. In forex trading, a pip, short for percentage in point, is a fundamental concept. It represents the smallest unit of price movement in the foreign exchange market. Now let's break this down. A pip is 100th of 1%. That is 1 over 100 times 0.01. And it appears in the fourth decimal place. You see, 0.000, then the 1 of most currency pairs. It is the minimum price change in increment for these pairs. Right? So, how do you now calculate these pips? So let's say, for example, your forex account is funded with a US dollar, right? And the USD is the second currency in the pair. Such as, let's say, for example, let's use Euro USD. The pips is fixed at 0.001. So for the Euro USD pair, the pips value is $1. If the USD is the first currency in the pair, that is the base currency, such as, let's say, USD CAD, for example, the pip value involves the exchange rate. So you divide the size of a pip by the exchange rate and then multiply by the trade value. That's the lot size, right? So you multiply this by the lot size. That will give you the total amount of your pips. So let's say, for example, the USD pair, right? You said the pip size is 0.001. Then the exchange rate for that currency pair is 1.2829. And a standard lot size is 100 standard lot size. So the pip value here would be $7.79. That is 7.79. So if you bought 100 USD against the Canadian dollar at 1.2829 and sold it at 1.2830, you would make profits of around 1 pips or $7.79. You get? So now, this is just the basic way of calculating it yourself. There is a more easiest way to calculate this process using your MT4 or 5 or trading view. I will show you this right away. So now this is your MT4 or MT5, right? So let's say we want to use GBP USD. You can use this method on any currency pair. I will show you how it looks like with a gold. The gold calculation, that is the XAU USD, is a bit different with this. But this particular one I want to show you, you can use it on any currency pair. So let's assume you want to calculate your pips here. You want to know, let's use this long candlestick. You can see this long sell candlestick, right? You want to use it, you want to enter it, you enter this trade, let's say around this side. Let me mark here. Let's say you get into this trade around this red line, and you anticipated that you want to get out of this trade around this end of this red line. You can see you entered at this top red line and you want to get out of the trade. It's a sell market. You want to get out of the trade. How will you calculate it? The easiest way to calculate this is for you to come to this your crosshair. You click on it, right? When you click on it, then you come to your entry point. Once you get your entry point, you left click on it. You left click on that's your entry point, which is around the side. Said you left click on it down to where you are anticipating that you want to get out of this market, and we got 48 pips. The most important thing you should be considering is the first two numbers here, right? The first two numbers is what you will you will concentrate on. The first value there, you can see is just the number of candlesticks, right? Then the second value is your pips. Then the third value is the market value, is the price value at that moment. You can see three numbers, right? First one, which is 0, showing 0. The second one, which is showing 483, is the pips. But you be picking just the first two is what you concentrate on. Then the last one is the market price at that, is the price value at that moment. I hope you are getting this. So this is the easiest way to calculate your pips. If you want to check it in a buy market, you take it from, let's say, from your entry point up to anywhere you are anticipating, either anywhere. This is 98 pips, because I told you the first two value is what matter. The first two value at the middle is what is most important. The first number you can see, which is 5 there, is the number of candlesticks. So we are concentrating on the pips now, right? Because we are calculating the pips, the total pips. So the 98 is your total pips for this market. I hope you are getting this. So now, if you want to calculate this on the trading view, here with this long bearish candlestick, we got how many? We got 48, right? Let's calculate it again. Right click, you click on your crosshair, you come to this place. Let's start from the tip, the tail, the tick of the candlestick. So you left click and you drag it down to the end of the candlestick. Okay, we got 49, right? 49 pips. So now let's go to our trading view on same GBP USD using another method to calculate it. If you don't want to calculate it here on MT4 or MT5, you can calculate this same method with your trading view account. So let's go to our trading view. Let me show you how to calculate it there. Okay, now this is our trading view, right? And this is GBP USD, right? So now this is the long bearish candlestick we're talking about, this particular one. So what you do is to come, since is a sell market, you come to short position, you come to this your projection, right? Then you select this short position, you put it right from the tip. We said we are calculating from the tip, right? We are not concentrating on the stop loss now, because that's not what we are talking about. We just want to calculate the amount of pips, profit pips, right? So you will take it down to the end of the tip. Let's see if we can get exactly what we got on let's see if we can get exactly what we got on our MT4 or 5, right? So you can see now, you can see we are having that same number around the side. You can see we are having that same number around the side. Sorry, you can see 49.2, right? So that is just the easiest way to calculate your pips. So Currently now we are having 49 pips here. So if you go to your MT4 or MT5, the method I showed you there is the way to calculate your pips. Now let's try this on gold and see how it will look like. XAUUSD gold, right? So let's see how this will look on gold. Let's see how this will look on gold. So now the easiest way to calculate this on gold, like I told you, is for you to come to your let's use the long position for this one. Come to your long position, starting at your entry point. So, and you anticipated that you want to get out of this market around this side. You know, our consign is the profit target, right? So now what is the total pips for this particular target? What you will do is to look at this target 4.8. So you take the 4.8 will be 48 pips. You get, if you take same thing and check in a sell market, let's say in a sell position here, let's say you want to enter a short position from this side, right, down to this particular place, we got 3.5. that is 35 pips. That is how to calculate this on gold using your trading view. You get this same application. If you check the MT4 or 5, it's the same thing. So this is the easiest way to calculate your pips. Please, if you are watching us for the very first time and you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, also share these videos to others so that they also will benefit. See you in our next video. Peace out.